welcome to Mika and Gabby's Cooking Show. Today we have a special guest.
It's green, and you see it on Christmas.
And he is Mr. Christmas Tree. He loves to dance, so we will show him his dance moves. We will not get copyrighted today. No copyright today, my friends.
Okay.
So today we are making banana bread. And these are the ingredients for the banana bread.
1.5 cup of flour, 1 egg, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 3 medium bananas, 1 tablespoon of salt. Pecans are optional.
Since I'm allergic to pecans, you could also use walnuts. But since I'm allergic to them, we are not going to put it in our banana bread.
I don't like nuts a lot anymore.
Okay, so let's get on to the video. Now we're going to mash the bananas and pour and mix in the ingredients. Remember to make the bananas like really ripe, and then make sure they're brown like this.
Very brown.
Very brown. Okay, so now we're going to mash it in. And make sure not to mash it a lot, because if you mash it a lot, then it will be not as good. Because the more lumpy it is, the better. Gabby, do you mind peeling the other bananas?
Sure. Oh, is it stuck to it? Oh,
It's
stuck!
I'll help you.
It's okay.
Okay, I'll peel this banana.
Oh, that's easy to take off. This is gonna be fun.
Okay, let's do this one together. Okay, now let's
This is
smash
fun.
it.
That thing looks weird.
Yeah, it's so big.
Oh my goodness.
So remember, don't mash it too much.
That looks like teeth crushing it.
Okay guys, now we're gonna pour in the ingredients. Make sure the bananas look this lumpy.
And be careful with the flour because there's a lot in there.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in the sink. Uh-oh. I'll help you.
And now
The sugar.
and the baking soda.
And the salt.
And then the
The
mayo.
mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Okay, can you mix it up for me, Gabby?
This one.
Once you're done mixing, it should look like this.
Lumpy, lumpy, lumpy.
Also, at this time, you could preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And also, butter your loaf pan.
Butter it a lot.
Yep.
This looks yummy already. That looks greasy.
Yep. It's so then the bread won't stick to the pan.
Mmm.
Uh-oh. Oh my gosh.
It's a little messy though.
Yep.
That's a lot of butter.
Yep. This should be enough.
After we grease the pan, we're gonna pour this batter into it.
Let's do it right now.
This is fun.
We already preheated our oven for 350 degrees. Now we're gonna bake our banana bread batter for 60 to 70 minutes in the oven.
Let's
Let's go. Okay.
It's kind of scary. Oh my goodness, that's hard. Be careful, Susie. Is it hot?
A little bit. Now we let it bake.
After 16 minutes, this is what it looks like.
Yes, we like to put butter on ours because it makes it more flavorful.
I don't like butter
Okay, you can have this one, Gabby.
because it doesn't have butter. Oh my goodness, this is the opposite.
It's,
There you go.
see?
There you go.
Mmm.
Most very moist. Super yummy. How do I sound like? Subscribe and hit the notification bell and also like and comment down below.